Did you know that the art of casting a fishing line has a rich history? Casting and fishing has evolved significantly over years. What started as a basic necessity for survival has transformed into a skill that is both a sport and a recreational activity. Tracing back to ancient times, fishing has always been a crucial part of human life. But as time passed, the simplicity of dropping a line in water metamorphosed into a sophisticated, captivating activity, necessitating precision, patience, and mastery of varied casting techniques. An integral part of modern fishing, casting has become an essential skill every angler, novice, or experienced needs to master. It's the key to a successful fishing trip and a passport to the thrilling world of angling. This video will delve into the three most prevalent casting techniques: overhead casting, side casting, and bait casting. Each technique carries unique advantages and is employed in diverse fishing situations. Adeptness in these techniques can dramatically enrich your fishing experience, facilitating precision and ease in casting your line regardless of conditions. So whether you're preparing for your inaugural fishing expedition or endeavoring to hone your casting proficiency, this footage will prove invaluable. Let's explore these techniques methodically, initiating with overhead casting. First up is the overhead casting, a technique suitable for beginners. The magic of overhead casting lies in the right balance of body and hand positioning and perfecting the timing of the release. Picture yourself as a pendulum, your body swaying in rhythm with your rod. Position your hands right, one near the butt of the rod, the other holding the line. Now let's talk timing. The key is to let the rod do the work. As you swing the rod back, remember to stop when the rod is just past vertical. Hold it there for a split second. This pause allows the line to extend behind you. Then swiftly bring the rod forward, releasing the line as the rod passes your head. Common mistakes? Releasing too early or too late. Both can send your bait off target, but don't fret, practice makes perfect. With practice, overhead casting can become second nature. Now let's move on to the next technique, side casting. Side casting is another useful technique to have in your fishing arsenal. It's all about stealth and subtlety. Unlike the overhead cast, your body and hand positions will need to shift a bit. Think of it as a dance, with your rod and line as partners. Begin with your rod pointing towards the water parallel to the ground. Your reel should be facing upwards. Now, as with any good dance, timing is key. As you swing the rod to your side, release the line, letting the momentum carry your lure or bait towards your target. The beauty of the side cast is its low profile. It's perfect for situations where an overhead cast might snag on low-hanging branches or spook fish in clear, shallow water. Side casting also allows for longer casts with less effort, making it a fantastic choice for those long days on the water. Side casting allows for a more discreet approach to casting. Now on to our final technique, bait casting. Bait casting, while a bit more advanced, offers precision and control. It's a technique that allows you to accurately place your bait exactly where you want it. To start with, you're going to need a bait casting reel and rod. These are designed to handle heavier lines and lures. The technique begins with holding the rod comfortably in your dominant hand. Position the reel so it's underneath the rod and the handle is facing upwards. Now press the spool release button and hold the line with your thumb. Swing the rod over your shoulder, and as you bring it forward, release your thumb from the line when the rod is at about a 45-degree angle. The challenge here is in timing the release of the line. Too early and your bait will fall short, too late and it may overshoot your target. But don't worry, a few tries and you'll get the hang of it. Bait casting is a technique worth mastering for its precision. Fishing is an art, and casting is a vital part of that art. We've explored the nuances of overhead casting, side casting, and bait casting, each an essential tool in the angler's arsenal. Overhead casting, with its graceful and distance reach, is perfect for open waters. Side casting, a more subtle approach, allows you to sneak a lure into those hard-to-reach spots, while bait casting, the technique of precision, empowers you to deliver your bait exactly where the fish are biting. As with any art, mastering these casting techniques demands patience. Initial attempts might feel awkward, the lure might not land where you intend, but don't let that discourage you. Each cast is a lesson, every mistake a stepping stone. Embrace the process, enjoy the journey, and before you know it, you'll be casting like a pro. Remember, the key to casting is practice, patience, and more practice. Happy fishing! If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fishing tips and tricks. Happy fishing and see you in the next video. We hope you found this video helpful and are now ready to master the waters with your casting skills. Remember, the only way to truly become proficient is to practice, practice, and practice some more. So grab your fishing gear and head out to your local fishing spot. Try out these techniques and let us know how it goes. If you found this video useful, show your support by giving us a like. It truly helps us out and lets us know that our content is valuable to you. Don't stop here though. We have a whole host of fishing tips and tricks waiting for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our community of fishing enthusiasts. Happy fishing and see you in the next video.